Today we will show how to change the Mercedes W246 head unit language. Now the interface is in Japanese. We are going to change the language to Chinese. What we need to do is reprogram the chip of the unit. This way we can change the language. Okay, now let's open the head unit. Open this panel first, then take off the upper cover. Remove the DVD drive. Take off this board. Take off the metal cover. Remove the heat dissipation fan. Remove this board. Remove this SD board. This board is the one we need to work with. We replace this one. Remove it first. Then we put the chip on the programmer. Choose our already prepared file and start to write. Writing. Wait until the progress bar is over. Okay. Now we put the chip back to the board. Solder it back. Now put this board to the unit and reassemble all. Okay. Let's test on the platform. It's in Chinese now. I'll finish it.